If you want to find and access hidden apps on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. For example, I have hidden the Gemini app, and in order to find it, one of the ways to do so is by going to the Play Store. And if I search for the app, then I should be able to open it. As you can see, the app is installed and I can actually open it without any issues. There we go. Quite simple. But besides that, what you can also do is go to settings. Over here we're gonna scroll down on the left side and we can choose apps, and in here in apps you can still find the hidden app. So in my case I have Gemini over here, as you can see, and we can actually open it by using the open button at the bottom of the screen. There we go. If the app is running in the background, you can still open it as well. So if you go to the list of background apps, you can find the, well, in theory, you can find the hidden app over there and you can easily open it. And of course, also one of the easiest ways to open the hidden app is to unhide it, which is quite obvious, but you know, this is something that has to be mentioned as well. If you go to home screen settings, you can go to hide apps, and over here we can remove the app from this list, press done, and now we can just simply find it in the app drawer, let's say. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.